Hello everyone, this is the Lifeline Air Drone Demo Simulation Prototype. In this prototype, here is the mission status in which you can see the battery level, which is 100% because till now we didn't started the mission. Then the payload temperature is 22 degrees Celsius, and the signal strength is 98% and the flight time is 0. When we will start the mission, the battery level will decrease and the flight time will start recording the time. Here is the environment selection. We There can be any environment in where we need to deploy the drone. So for now we had mentioned the three scenarios such as forest, desert and urban. If we're selecting the forest scenario, then you can see here below the scenario there are challenges. That means if we're selecting a forest scenario, we can face GPS signal degradation, limited landing zones, dense canopy navigations. And in the system status, based on the scenario, it will checklist everything such as PX4 SITL, simulator, link telemetry, GPS module, flight controller, and if we will change the scenario because the medical supplies can be delivered in any place, like the battlefield is not only limited to the forest area, it can happen in desert area, urban area. So if we are selecting the desert part, we can see we are facing problem like extreme temperature, dust interference, long range flight. And for urban scenarios, there is building obstacles, air traffic, precision landing. So in mission control, we are having three panels. First is start mission. When we will click on this, the drone will take off. In pause, if you are facing any problem like weather or something like satellite connectivity, then we can pause the mission for some time. Emergency abort if the area is not safe, if the things are getting worst, then we can abort the mission in the middle. So let's start the mission. As you can see, the helicopter is denoting the drone and the blue points are the checkpoints and the red dot is denoting the target area. So basically this is just a simulation. uh, when we had started the mission, so the drone is moving for now. When we will get a chance, we will make it more stable, so it will reach every checkpoints one by one and then it will reach the target area. If we will pause the mission, then the drone will stop there itself and then it will navigate and search for a safe zone where it can land smoothly. And if in emergency we will abort the mission, the drone will reach to the nearby checkpoint. In the real-time telemetry, you can see it. Basically real-time telemetry shows the progress report of the drone, like the height of the drone, altitude, ground speed, like the movement, payload temperature, battery level. Before the mission was started, the battery level was 100%. Now after the mission has started, the battery level is decreasing. This is the strength, longitude, latitude, and here the mission is in progress. Okay, in 50 meter the take this is the timeline, like the summary of how the drone is moving, it is reaching or not, it is what is the progress report of the drone. Right now it is going to approach the target hospital, and in event logs we can see like in 8:38 the everything was settled. In 8:42, mission started successfully. Then it reached to the waypoint 2. It reached the waypoint 3 with success. You can see it is written here, success, success. Then in telemetry graph, as you can see, it is denote the altitude profile. It denotes like here it is in 120 degree. That means it was in high point. Then the slowly when it reached to the target point, it was decreasing the battery level. First of all, it was 100%. Then it came down. The payload's temperature was increasing and decreasing. The ground speed, it was dodging the obstacles. It was going through ground level, so it maintained its speed for safety and measures. Then we have this is the crucial point of the whole prototype. Here in payload configuration, we can customize the payload. uh, like if you want emergency kit, we just have to choose it. Then in weight, we have to and then we can see the weight, how much weight we require. Temperature control, we don't need any temperature for this aid kit. And the contents, what the aid kit contains, what is the particular need we, we require for the supply. Then if you're selecting the blood transport kit, then the weight will be 2.8 kg. The contents are changed. And to keep the blood safe and good, we require temperature control. That's why it is showing yes. Then for medication delivery, the weight is 1.5 kg. Again, the contents are changed. And for medication delivery, we again require the temperature control. Now here comes the parameters, mission parameters. Like based on the scenario, we can set the altitude, the speed, and delivery method. There are three types of delivery method. The first is precision landing. That means the drone will go to the target area, it will land safely, and then it will deliver the supplies. Airdrop, in airdrop, the drone will just drop the supplies from the air. And in winch delivery, it is basically like shooting. it will shoot the it will shoot the supplies to the target area. Now as you can see, the mission is successfully accomplished. And in event log, it is showing mission completed successfully. In dashboard, now we can see that after the mission was completed, the battery level is 26%, the signal strength is 85%, the payload temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, and the flight time took 2.30 minutes, just 2.30 minutes. So in this, basically this is the real-time data it was capturing when the drone was moving. Based on the scenario, if we will get a chance, we can update more, we can update more features into it. Thank you. I hope you will just look into it for and pitch our ideas to higher level. Thank you so much.